Happy Friday. Just going out to the spillway with the ladies this weekend. Gonna go do a girls trip, you know, because Jeep girls get it done. My Jeep is packed, so let's get to our adventure. You know, I ain't a garbage man. Not at all. Hey, guess what? These things don't burn. Pack it in, pack it out. You know, I've been Crownland camping for like 6 years. This right here is why they're gonna charge us $30 a year to camp here. Like seriously, how lazy do you have to be? I thought it was done. Like, that's not gonna puncture a tire or anything. All right, I did my part. One full grocery bag of trash. So I'm at the camp and I'm just picking a spot because there's more of us, so we're not gonna take the spot that Travis and I had last time. And I was like, I'm in the shade. It's like 90 degrees. This is a good spot. And then I went, oops. And if you can see, this guy right here is very leany, very dead. I'm gonna back my Jeep up so that in case a crazy windstorm comes up or something, it's not going to fall down on me, I think. We'll try it. This is the Brazu Dam spillway. What's wonderful about this is that it is a spillway, so you have just ginormous cliff edges pretty much encircling you all the way around. But it is just stunning. I never just take any moments just to look at it. Ended up being a really hot kind of day. First hot day that we've had this year, which is awesome. I've got my sleeping platform set up and I've got my table and stuff set up. I'm just waiting now for all the other ladies to arrive. Until then, I'm just gonna listen to some tunes, maybe have a Friday beverage, who knows.
About an hour later, Dana and Leslie arrived.
What's up?
And shortly after that, so did Terry and Emily. We got to settle in for a nice night around the fire. To lessen the amount of gear that I had to bring, I did all my meal prep at home. And these breakfast wraps were so good.
Sometimes you just need to play with bubbles. This is what happens when the guys aren't around to supervise us. No, we have not started drinking yet. Wait, you started drinking without me?
We spent the day on Saturday being silly and soaking in the sun.
So Dwayne made this handy dandy little grill, and it comes everywhere. The fire pit is Leslie's. These just kind of go in there. Beef, pork, and chicken. 90% odd chance that it's gonna snow tomorrow. Let's see if we wake up with snow tomorrow morning. This is what we woke up to. We aren't even gonna cook breakfast this morning. I think we are just packing up and gonna get out of Dodge, maybe grab a breakfast sandwich or something, because this is terrible. Alright, thank you for watching our stupid adventure, and we had a great weekend. My god, there was bubbles and and you know, sunburns and a winter wonderland. Yay! Anyways, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because we're always doing fun, amazing things like this. How's that going? So Terry was
Pooping.
I don't know, it's like a throne.
Looks like I shit up myself.
Why'd you poop on yourself, Dana?
Just couldn't eat.